how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel. So all you have to do is simply open your Monday.com project and then simply click on integrate in the top right corner, as you can see right here. Now the next step is to simply search for Excel. So let's search for Microsoft Excel. So as you can see right here, you don't have any integration directly with Microsoft Excel, but if you want to basically add your Microsoft Excel tasks or other projects to your Monday.com, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to options, then click on more options, and then simply click on import tasks. Now as you can see, you can also export the board to Excel, but if you want to import Excel projects to your Monday project, simply click on import tasks, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to import Excel files directly by dragging the file over here, or simply click to browse the file on your computer, and then you're gonna have an import button right here. So that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.